J16, let's get into it. So first of all, in data by system in the Purehue data section, we have a reusable array for bubble sorting. It's going to sort the red, green, and blue elements that are inputted into the lean mul function. This is our RGB converted to lean mul function. It's going to get a multiplier that is going to increase the magnitude of our fence post vectors that are pointing left or right from a red, green, or blue fence post. So we put the RGB in, and the lean multiplier goes out. First thing we want to do is load our bubble sort array with the red, green, and blue, and then we're going to do a bubble sort. So right here is a bubble sort. Now, if you don't know what a bubble sort is and don't know how the algorithm works, well, I'm not going to tell you here because this is the advanced playlist. You'll have to go to the intermediary playlist for that. And once we have bubble sorted the data and loaded it into ARR RGB, which is an alias for this right here, once we've bubble sorted it, we're going to do some math to figure out what the output lean multiplier should be. So we're going to take the range between the maximum and minimum, and then we're going to take that range, add 1, and then 256 divided by that range plus 1 equals our multiplier. So if the range between the minimum and maximum is the full range, then it's 256 divided by 256, in which case the multiplier is 1. And if the range here is 0, then it's 256 divided by 1, which is 256. And 256 for a multiplier is actually out of bounds because the multiplier should be between 1 and 255. But it doesn't matter that it's out of range and it's 256 because this multiplier is going to be applied to a vector whose value is 0, which is pointing nowhere, so it doesn't matter that it's at 1 out of bounds. And we're going to turn that multiplier here. Okay, we made some mistakes. Lean 255 should be lean 256, so you'll see some corrections in the code in some places as we're going through here. And then right here, just a correction, right? Lean 255 to 256. And here's where we're calling the lean multiplier, and then we take the unscaled fence post vector, and we multiply it by the lean multiplier to get output lean 256, which should be between 1 and, actually this should be between 0 and 255 inclusive. Right here in Hue 1530, we made a change to this, lean 255 to lean 256, and that's about it. So we'll do more in the next video. Like and subscribe. A longer explanation is here. You're on the advanced playlist. Like and subscribe.